Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, glad you're tuning in today. I've got some new tools to show you. Today we're going to be talking about VIM tools WSA100. Stay tuned. Hey, glad you stayed tuned. Here we go. WSA100 Wobble Socket Attachment. I'm going to show you this. It's a pretty neat little device. Stick your wrench on it, and you can use it. Turn your wrench, and if you have a ratchet and wrench, use it. Use it into a low profile or a lower profile deal, plus it's wobble. Oh, if you don't want it to wobble, push it down further and it doesn't wobble. It's a nice little feature. I like these. It's a 3-piece set. So it's a 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive and a 1/2 inch. The 1/4 inch uses a 10 millimeter. The 3/8 drive uses a 14 millimeter and the 1/2 inch uses a 19 millimeter. I really like it. I really like the idea. The bad thing, the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch drive work like they're supposed to. Slips in and stays. Let me show you. Stays. The 3/8 doesn't. And I'm not sure what's going on here. The only thing I could get it to stay in was a 6-sided. I'm gonna contact VIM and see what's up, and see if they can send me another one or check them out, make sure they're right, because it's a pretty decent tool. I like the concept of it. I like the way it's made. It's solid. I really have no complaints. It's just that one doesn't fit like it's supposed to. And I tried every single 14 millimeter I had, ratcheting or not, and it didn't fit none. I've got Williams, I've got gear wrench, I've got, you know what? I didn't check every single one of them I've got. Let me look in here. Got some Armstrong in here. No, I've got their Lone Professional Craftsman, which I don't know if that's really a. Yep, there's a 14 millimeter. It's a little tighter, but not very. It actually holds. So this is the only one that holds. Okay, here's a little bit of an update. VIM sent me out a new one. And I went back and I tried it with most of my 14 millimeter wrenches. And my Matco USA fits it. So it doesn't fall out. And it does a good job. So that's good. What I really wanted it to fit was stuff like this, a ratcheting wrench that was a lot longer, and you see it drop down a little bit on, barely holds on. Few things, either the ball detent is stuck in there a little bit, or it's not coming all the way out. But here's what I will say. When you're in there, throw your socket on, and if you like, if you're not upside down, you're good. If you're upside down, it might fall on you, but not fall on you enough to come out. I'm going to continue talking with them about it, but listen, I really like this. I did some measuring, and with my, this is the low profile, this is a low profile snap-on. with sockets made specifically for this, okay? This combination here is a 32nd thinner. It's not a lot, right? But then you look at it like this and try to center it. There we go. Look at it like that. You can see the ratchet is bigger. The head of the ratchet is bigger. It's, you know, it would be easier to get this with this in a tight spot. Look, I don't make no money off these people, but they make good products. I don't know what the deal will be, whether they will make this fit better or not. I can understand that with so many wrenches and the tolerances being so different, it could be hard to make one that fits everything. This one, and I guess my Craftsman Professional, which is a long pattern wrench, are the tightest on this right here. And even now, it seems that the ball is staying in a little further. So maybe as it gets worn in, you know, it'll be tighter and hold a little better. Other than that, I don't know what to say. Would I buy it again? Yes. I like the wobble. And by the way, I keep saying attachment. It's adapter. The wobble portion is nice. Okay. And then the fact that I can drop it down and it be a straight is nice. And just, you can put this on a fastener like this and reach in like this. Let me hold out a little further. Okay. There's a lot of ways you could use it. I think there's going to be chances where this is going to come in real handy. And of course, it's not going to be something you'll use every day. But I'm thinking it'd be something to get you out of a bind. It's just another thing to help things go a little bit better. I tell you, I like it. It really comes in handy. Appreciate y'all turning in. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. And I'll try to keep y'all informed. It's cold out here today. I have had this for over a month. I ain't gonna be out in the garage today and might not be out there the rest of the week. Y'all take care.